Good morning, children. Today we are going to see about the topic Lesson 2 Human Evaluation. The topic is Ancient Rock Paintings. In India, we can see many paintings in rocks and caves. The rock paintings give some information about the past. Approximately, there are 715 caves in which 500 caves have paintings. There are many more undiscovered caves. The rock painting depict hunting pictures of the male and the female, dancing pictures and the pictures of children playing. These rock and cave paintings tell us many stories about our ancestors. There were many dangers involved in hunting due to large scale hunting in the mountain areas and in the forest. Many animals became extinct. Non-availability to meat forced the humans to look for fruits and vegetables for food. The next topic is from nomadic to settled life, the world's earliest farmers. The seed of fruits and the nuts they ate were thrown into the soil. During rains, the soil gave life. Some days later, the saplings sprouted from the soil. By observation and logic, they learned that the first one is the plant grows from a single seed and yields lots of fruits and vegetables. And the second one is seeds that fall in the river beds spread out easily. The third one, plants grow faster in water-fed areas. And the last one, alluvial soil is more suitable for plant growth than any other. Breeding of animals now became an important part of their life. Oxen were used for blocking. Oxen made the practice of agriculture easier. Life was becoming organized than it was when they were hunting. It enabled them to settle down in a place. The settlement came the problem of utensils and vessels for cooking and storage. The potter's wheel and fire solved this problem. Humans thought of ways to better their skills at hunting. They found out that their dogs could sniff other animals and chase them away. So humans found them useful for hunting. The dogs became the first animal to be domesticated by humans. Following the dogs, they started domesticating ken, goat, and cow. Humans stayed on the plains for a long time. During this period, they have not only learned agriculture, but slowly developed skills of handicraft. Permanent settlement in a place increased the yield of crops. Now they had grains in excess of what they consumed. The surplus grains were exchanged with other crops for the other things they were in the need of. This is called the barter system. This trade and commerce developed in the towns and cities. Okay, children, now we finished in this topic. Now we recall in the starting onwards. Okay, what is the first one? Evaluation means the process in which the humankind changes and develops into an advanced stage. And the second one, Homo sapiens migrated out of Eastern Africa and settled in different parts of the world. And the third one, humans with the help of the Chikimuki cull made sharp weapons and tools. And the last one, fire was used by early humans to protect him from predators for cooking food and for the light during night. And the last one, the invention of wheel is considered to be the foremost invention. It made pot making easier. And the next one, we got knowledge about the past lifestyle through rock paintings. Okay, children, now we see the next class. Okay, thank you.